Hello! Welcome to Advanced Education Psychology. We would like first introduce ourselves. I am Ms. Cedinho and my co-partners, Ma'am Richilda Acabado. We are from Tigong Central Pilot School, Port District. In this video, we would like to talk about heredity and environment. Heredity, or why you look the way you do. Have you ever wondered why you look a little like mom and dad but not exactly? Why do people have babies? Why do dogs have puppies? Why do birds have baby birds? Why do cells have pups? Which says the individual personality is the product of both heredity and environment. In some cases, heredity may overpower development, and in certain other cases, environment may very strongly influence growth and development. It is because of these different individuals differ in physical character and other personality traits. A child's development represents the interaction of heredity and environment. Heredity determines the potential of child, while the environment influences the extent to which that potential is achieved. What is heredity? Heredity, the transmission of genetic characters from parents to offspring. It is dependent upon the segregation and recombination of genes. Genes, parents, offspring. Once heredity consists of all the structures, physical characteristics, function or capacities derived from parents, other ancestry or species, it is more influential because we have no control on what we inherit. Heredity is the transmission of physical and mental characteristics from parents to offspring. Heredity is the passing on of traits from parents to offspring. What is traits? Traits are characteristics that can be passed from one generation to another. Examples include your eye color, the color of a dog, or the beak of a bird. In the 1800s, Gregor Mendel, while growing the tulip plants, noticed that some traits like height of a plant may change from one generation to the next. For example, if he crossed two tall plants together, in the first generation he would get tall plants. However, in the second generation may get three tall and one short plant. He classified the first generation trait as the dominant trait. The trait that was marked or covered up as the recessive trait. The reason you get dominant and recessive trait is that you get one copy of the trait from mom and another copy from your dad. Most human cells are diploid because they contain a set of chromosomes. This helps explain why you look similar to your mom and dad, but not exactly. Since Mendel's time, there has been a whole field of science that studies heredity called genetics. Heredity defines the inheritance of traits, while genetics, the study of mechanism of heredity. The genes, a portion of a DNA strand that function as a hereditary unit, is located at a particular site on a specific chromosome and codes for a specific protein or polypeptide. For example, heredity influences body weight, but there is no single obesity gene. More likely, some genes influence how quickly the stomach tells the brain, "I'm full." Molecular behavior. Genetics is to find some of the many genes that together orchestrate traits such as body weight, sexual orientation, and extraversion. Importance of heredity. Heredity plays a vital role in one's growth and development. It is different characteristics of growth and development like intelligence, aptitude, body structure, height, weight, color of hair, and eyes are highly influenced by heredity. The other one is environmental development is essential. The development of the emotional characteristics depends on the influence of the environment, but the physical genetic manifestations such as color of skin, eye color, height are maintained. While healthy social environment is needed because an individual's social environment can negatively affect a person's health, leading to obesity, mental health problems, and higher risk of disease. Relative importance of heredity in environment. Heredity or environment. Color of hair, color of eyes, color of skin, general health, personal traits, strength of eyesight, physical strength, IQ, height. While environment, relationship with family, relationship with friends, level of education, sex, gender, body type, weight, religious involvement, birth defects, blood type. Heredity and environmental rule. Heredity or nature, while environment or nurture. Heredity is strong influence on physical development, while environment, everything that surrounds and influences child. Heredity, physical makeup that a child inherits from parents, environment, family, school, neighbors, media, and etc. Examples of heredity and environment influences. Heredity are eye and hair color, blood type, gender. While environmental, family, birth, school, culture. Influence from both intelligence, personality, general health, physical strength, weight, and disease. These are both influenced by heredity and environment. For the conclusion, both heredity and environment have their share and mold the life and personality of the individual. Heredity is responsible for all the inborn traits, the emotions, IQ, reflex action, and physical traits. The two forces, heredity and environment, are not opposed to other but are complementary like seed and oil. The heredity is the raw material out of which the object is to prepare an environment in the technique and other material for the manufacture. The two individuals of the same heredity might differ when put in the similar environments. Again, two individuals of different heredity would probably differ in spite of the identical environment. So we can predict that if we change neither factor, the product is changed. Hopes this helps with your understanding of heredity. Thank you.